everyone, Chef Patty here with AvMed Health, and welcome. Today I'm going to make a tzatziki shrimp salad. So if you love tzatziki, which is a Greek yogurt sauce, you'll love this recipe. It's tzatziki with shrimp, nothing not to love, right? So let's get started. It's really easy. First thing I want to do is make my dressing, right? Because the cool thing about this recipe that if you want to like prep and meal prep and have it ready the day before, you can. So we can make our dressing. If you're going to use it right away, you leave it out. If not, you refrigerate it and it'll be good for a day, overnight. I did boil my shrimp. That's the first step. You boil your shrimp. I drained it and I kind of let it sit in an ice water bath for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I drained it again, I diced it, and here's my cooked shrimp. Remember, all our recipes are on the AvMed wall, Facebook page wall. So you'll have access to the recipe. You can always send us a message, but it's really easy to make. So shrimp has been cooked, it's diced, here it is. Now we're gonna make our dressing. First thing is I've got my sour cream. So I'm using a combination of sour cream. I've got a 1/3 cup of sour cream, and I'm gonna use a 1/3 cup of yogurt. And I'm using Greek yogurt, which is nice and thick. So there's no mayonnaise in this shrimp salad. We just have the sour cream and the yogurt, and I'm gonna stir it really well to combine the two creams. Now, adding flavor. This is where we start building flavor. I've got a lime. I'm gonna zest about 1/2 of a lime. Now remember, once you start to see the white part, that's called the pith. You wanna stop there. So whenever you're zesting, you only wanna zest the outer layer of the citrus, because the pith is really bitter and you don't wanna ruin your recipe. You just wanna add a little zing to it. That's all we're doing. So we've got about 1/2 a lime that has been zested. I'm gonna cut this lime now and I'm gonna juice it. Ooh, it smells so good. It's nice and fresh and it's gonna go perfect with the shrimp. So I have 1/2 a lime that I zested and juiced. A little Dijon mustard. You don't need a lot, maybe about a teaspoon. It goes a long way just to add extra flavor. I've got some chopped fresh garlic going in. So you can already tell that this is gonna be amazing. And then fresh dill. So this is our sauce. We've got our dill, our garlic, our sour cream, our Greek yogurt, lime zest, lime juice, and a little salt, and done. Okay. So this is where you would either cover it and put it away. I'm not gonna do that because I'm just assembling the whole salad now. This is so good. Okay, shrimp. I told you I pre-cooked it, I boiled it for 3 minutes, then I strained it, put it in an ice water bath, and then strained it again, and I chopped it. You can eat this, I mean, you can eat it, you can serve it and eat it just like this, or you can maybe serve it in a hoagie and have like a roll, a sandwich, in lettuce, leaves. It's so good. It'll go great with everything. And then I've got my cucumbers. It wouldn't be tzatziki without cucumbers. And I diced them small so we could have bite-sized pieces. Cucumber. And then our last ingredient is our green onions. And we are done, friends. This is it. And the green onions, I used maybe about 3 stalks of green onion, and then I diced them, that's it. And here's a little tip that I love sharing with everyone. If you put your green onions in water, you'll have green onions for about a month because they'll keep on growing. So You can use the green part and then leave the bottom in water, and you'll see how every day they get taller and taller. So here is our shrimp salad. I hope you make it. It's delicious. It goes great this time of the year where it's so hot outside because this is nice and cool. And that's it, friends. Enjoy. Mwah. I'll see you soon.